guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the requested wishlist 2020 video. I asked you guys if you wanted me to film this video, and all you guys said yes, and I'm super excited that you guys all agreed to it because I have been wanting to do this video for such a long time, and I personally love watching these kinds of videos on YouTube. I'm just so nosy to know what people want to buy next, and I like to know that because maybe it's an item that I want to buy next. Their interest makes me interested, if that makes sense. So yeah, today's video is that. So if you're wondering on what is on my wish list for 2020, then just keep on watching. Before we get started, guys, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury reviews, luxury hauls, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's get right into this video because I have quite a few bits of items. I have my notebook that I wrote all my items and the reason why I want them so I don't forget. So if I keep looking down, then that's the reason why. So my first item that I would like to purchase, and by the way, I'm not gonna go in like direct order, like okay, I'm gonna buy this next and then this. I'm just gonna tell you everything that I want. First thing is from Dior. I never know what to get from Dior because I love their brand. Everything they have is so beautiful. Their handbags, to their SLGs, to their jewelry. My weaknesses in life is literally handbags, jewelry, and shoes. They have it all and everything is just so gorgeous. I love everything. But the first thing that I would love to get is their oblique saddle card holder. It's the $410 one, and I'm saying that because I don't think it is a bad price point for Dior. Dior's handbags are pretty expensive, and their shoes and their jewelry. The jewelry, some are and some aren't. Some are and some aren't. I said that right? So yeah, I never know what to get from Dior. So I would love to have an SLG from Dior because I love SLGs. And I'm taking my own advice, and I told you guys in my past videos, but if not, if you're new, then I'll tell you. I suggest that if you are iffy about a luxury brand that you want to invest your money in, I suggest buying something small like an SLG. I know that I want for definite is the blue oblique pattern. So as one day when I was scrolling through the website, because I always scroll through every luxury website and I gotta stop doing that because I want everything. But I saw this card holder and I was like, yes, this is the item that I've been waiting for, that I've been wanting, and it's just gorgeous. It's a card holder. I love card holders. Just know in my heart, I get that feeling every time that I see a product like that is the one. I know I'm gonna love it, I'm gonna use it. So yeah, I wanna get that one. That leads to me to my second item that I want from Dior is jewelry. I want a pair of earrings, but I don't want the tribals. Are they, is that what they're called? I'm probably not saying that right, but I want the earrings. I'll put it, by the way, I'm gonna put a picture of everything on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. But they're these earrings. I tried them on at the Short Hills Mall last time I went, and they're these earrings that go up your ear, and they're so cute. They're gold and they have little dangles. It looks like you have piercings up your ear, but you don't, obviously, but it's just so cute. I love those earrings so much, and yeah, I definitely need to get those. I always think about them. Always do. Every time I'm throwing out an outfit, I'm just like, oh, those earrings would look perfect with this outfit. That's how I know that I should really buy something, is that if I'm getting dressed and I'm trying to put an outfit together for myself, I'm like, dang, those shoes would look good that I've been wanting. That bag would look good that I've been wanting. So that's why I really know, like, okay, Maria, I think you really have convinced yourself that you need to get that item. Okay. So my third wish list item, and this has been on my wish list for years now. I've always wanted it, and it is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26. I love that I've seen so many videos on that. People consider it a bag, honestly, because I mean, you can use it as a bag, but there's so many ways that you can use this. It's so versatile, and you know, you're only watching the versatile queen here, but I love the pouch because you could use it so many different ways. It's just such a classic piece, but it's so hard to get your hands on. The reason why I want to get it is because of its versatility. I'm going to Europe in August, so I know that's gonna be a perfect day to night kind of bag. Also, another reason why I want to get it is because it could go in my carry-on for when I'm going, you know, to Europe. I could just stuff all my things in it. It's a big pouch, so I could stuff all my things in there and just take it with me. So yeah, I really want the pouch. All right, guys, my fourth item, I'm gonna lose count, I know I am. But my fourth item that's on my luxury wish list is the Cartier Just Unclue ring. I want that ring so bad. I have to admit though, when I first saw it, it was before I tried it on in the store. I was just like, I don't really like that. I don't like the way that looks. But then after I got my thicker love band from Cartier, I went into the store and I tried on the Just Unclue ring and I fell in love. I just love the way the two rings complement each other. I'm happy that my ring size is able to fit multiple fingers on my hand, so I could switch it up day to day, so it makes it more worth the price. And by the way, the ring price for the Just Unclue, and I want it in the small, I forgot to mention that. I want it in the small, the thinner band, and the price point isn't that bad. I think it's 1,120. It's not bad because it's 18 karat gold, and I love the idea that I can pass it down one day to my kids, and it will always be in my collection, always special to me in my heart, because I've always wanted a Cartier piece and a Cartier collection. So we'll see. The next item is also from Cartier, which is the Cartier wedding band. I would love to purchase that ring to stack on my bigger Cartier ring. I just think it is so cute and so beautiful together, and also yellow gold. Just Unclue also in yellow gold. Sixth luxury wish list item is the Balenciaga hourglass bag. I know I did a recent unboxing of the extra small, or the small, it was a small hourglass bag. I loved the quality of the bag was amazing, but I'm in a little pickle. I don't know if I want the red one or if I want the black one. They have both, and I tried it on when I was in New York recently, and I just loved both of them so much, but I'm not sure what color to get, and I need your help, guys. So please help me pick a color. I'm more of like a street style, neutral kind of gal when it comes to my wardrobe. I like to wear hoodies, grays, whites, blacks is pretty much, you know, except for these fun little hoodies that I have, I love neutral colors. So I was thinking the red color because I always have black, I have black bags in my collection. So I was thinking something different, and the bag is so unique itself, like the shape of it, the quality, it's just amazing. I love it so much. So I was thinking, well, if it's gonna be a unique bag, then maybe I should get a unique color, which was the red, or if I should stick in my comfort zone and get the black one, but I'm not sure. So if you guys can help me out, I would greatly appreciate it. Next luxury wish list item is another Saint Laurent bag. I recently got the Lulu in the size small, and I'm totally obsessed with that bag. I just love the craftsmanship of Saint Laurent bag. They are so well designed. Every little detail is just stunning, and you could really tell that Saint Laurent puts a lot of effort into their handbags. So I was thinking that I've always loved the puffer Saint Laurent bag in the size small. I've always loved that bag so much, and every time that I went to Saint Laurent store to see all their bags, my eyes always drew to the puffer one. I don't know why, maybe it's because it's so different. There's not like really a bag like that out there, and I'm more drawn to unique pieces. So I was thinking that bag or the wallet on chain, which is a very popular bag, which also throws me off a little bit because it is so popular. Not really sure on which bag I would like to get, either the wallet on chain or the puffer. So I'm still debating on that, and I have quite a few colors that I would like them to be. I know the puffer I would like in black with either gold or silver, but I'm kind of leaning towards gold because I have the Lulu with the silver, and the gold is beautiful as well. It's just the Lulu, the small one, I was so drawn to the silver with that one. And yeah, I just think that the silver, the gold with the black would be really cute too. I love the idea of the Saint Laurent wallet on chain because it has card slots, so it's easier. You could just stick your cards in the card slots and also have more room for other things. I pack pretty much everything just because I'm the type of person that likes to pack everything. Better safe than sorry. It's like when you need something and you don't have it, but then when you have it, you don't need it, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm the type of person just throw everything in my bag and just have it with me at all times. So that is my 6th, 7th luxury wish list item. I don't even know. Alright guys, that is all that I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure did. Let me know your thoughts on my luxury wish list items. If you think I'm crazy for buying an item, if you've had the item and had a bad experience with the item, and let me know what you have in your luxury wish list. I would love to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Go follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for all our new friends, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.